Hey D, turn me up, man. Alright, that's straight. GHM. Fuck y'all.
Try and generate my anger to these beats. It's 5 a.m. bitch and I ain't rested in some weeks. Cold floor spitting heat, I'm like fuck sleep. I ain't beat getting legal cash now. I ain't in the streets, this industry will eat you like beef if you trust them. That's why my circle's tight, if you ain't in it I'm like fuck them. Fuck them, fuck them, fuck them. Fuck them till they end up coming. My old head said, bird just keep killing them youngin'. I'm done puffin', so my head's discombobulated. Y'all a bunch of pussies, hope you're not ovulating. Say hi to Satan, goodbye being patient. But a God I trust to keep it G, there's a lot of hating. Contemplating, legal obligations. Saying the shit I'm on, got them constipated. Could start a frenzy, probably go to friend me. This is competition, we ain't close to friendly. Ain't supposed to envy, but every day they hate. Tell your boys I'm trash, and then you press and play. Puzzled on what's next, juggling chainsaws, bitch, get a cut neck. Blame it on success that I'm a fucking threat. Another check, I'm spitting like a tech, bitch, get a vest. It's Bird Wally, yeah. I done left the nest, forget the rest. GHM, yeah, we the fucking best. And these lames still spittin'. Who the fuck's listening? My chain's always glistening. Fuck that nigga Bird Wally. Haters still whispering, and I'm getting how I live it, bitch. Paper longer than 6 kids' Christmas list. Woo! You smell that? I'm the shit, no disinfectant to cure how bad I am sick. I'ma get it with the quickness, bitches stripping, litmus, flexing physical fitness. All about them binges, minding my own business, getting all these digits. I'm talking stacks on top of stacks,